Hey everybody, that's a really crazy entrance. Hopefully you didn't have that loud. Um, so it is, it's a little bit later in the afternoon here, right before I have to go work. Um, just wanted to go over a few problems here before your quiz tomorrow. So this is kind of a review of graphing quadratics and foiling. So that's what this is about. So we're going to run through the three types of graphing and then one foiling problem, and then we'll move on. So our first one, this is called standard form of quadratics. Quadratics. Um, so standard form, there's no parentheses. No parentheses. And it looks like ax squared plus bx plus c. So that's how we know it's a quadratic. There's no parentheses, and it's got all those things. So what we do, whenever we see like this, so we should automatically think, boom, standard form calculator. Automatically. So we type in our calculator, 1/3 x squared. I have the memory of a goldfish here. This is going to take a little bit. Plus 3x minus 2. Boom. It's in there. Check our graph. Yep. That's a quadratic, U-shaped. So we want to do minimum or maximum. We look on our graph, that is a minimum, and we look here, it's a positive number in front. So for those two reasons, I know it's a minimum. So I gotta go to the left side, so we gotta keep arrowing over. You just hope and pray that your calculator doesn't mess up, or at least mine doesn't. I'm for sure on the left side, I can see the blinker there. Gotta move over to the right side now. Oh, okay, that went for a while. Right side, guess doesn't matter. Woohoo, negative 4.5. Oh, these are bad decimals. Negative 8.75. There we go. So about negative 4, about negative 9. If we're, just for our graphing purposes, we're not going to be able to get into that much detail on this graph because it goes up by 2. So negative 4.5, negative 8.75. Negative 4.5 is right there. Negative 2, 4, 6, 8. I would say it'd be around that spot. Negative 4.5, negative 8.75, somewhere in there. This number in the front tells us how much to go up and over. So go up about a box and over about 1.5 boxes, because again, it's going up by 2, so this is kind of weird. So we gotta go 1.5 would be like there. 1.5 would be like there. Yeah, I don't know. We're just sketching. So, well, I mean, I do know, but we're just sketching the graphs. So we're just make it a little bit more curved out over here. So that's what you look like. Look like a smiley face. Hi. Anyway, I'm being so weird today. So, standard form, automatically think calc. Automatically. Here, I'll make it in a fancy rainbow. Woo. Calculator. Next one. What is it? Think to yourself before I say it. Do, 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 do. It's vertex form. How do I know that? There's one parentheses. What should we do with this? We take the opposite of here, 1, positive 1. We take the same number there, 1, 4. That's our vertex. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This number in front tells us what to do. Go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3. Something like that. Yeah. Again, it's just a sketch. Not trying to be perfect. But you get the idea. Now it looks like a sad clown. Anyway. Vertex form. It seemed like most people were okay with vertex form, so, you know, there you go. Next one, last one. Again, think to yourself, what is this called? Because the name will help you think of what to do. Do, 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 do. Intercept form. How do we know? That's right. I know you're saying it out loud. We know because of two parentheses. Intercept form, two parentheses. Parent, he says. Okay, and what do we do with that? We plot these two. These are intercepts, so we do the opposite of the inside the parentheses. So positive 2, negative 1, positive 2, negative 1. What number's in the middle of that? A half. Oops, not a solid line. Dashed line. A half is in the middle, so we put a half in. 1/2 right here, 1/2 right here. Negative 1, that's the front thing, times negative 1.5 times 1.5. You multiply all those together, you get 2.25. 2.25. Right there is our vertex, so we draw in our graph. There we go. So that's graphing. Again, I'm purposefully doing this kind of fast, but just a quick, just a refresher, something to watch tonight when you get ready for your quiz. So last one says FOIL. Yep, that's what directions say. You didn't see those? I did. FOIL, write in standard form. Again, standard form has no parentheses whatsoever, so that's what we're doing here. Write in standard form. The squared here means write it twice. We do the foiling first. Then we combine like terms in the middle here. Then we distribute. A lot of you wrote less work than this, and that's okay. It would be nice to see a little bit of work to make sure you're, not that I don't trust you, but make sure you know what you're doing and stuff. So y equals 5x squared plus 30x plus 41 is our final answer. So remember here, our steps are number 1, FOIL on these type of foiling problems. Number 2, distribute. And number 3, add the last number. That's it. That's all she wrote. So, well, we'll see you tomorrow, or if you're watching this today, we'll see you today in class, and good luck on the quiz. Bye.